The growing problem of greenhouse effect caused by global warming has attracted wide attention. In order to curb global warming, Power World is committed to providing one-stop renewable energy solutions for the world. Brand new Power World R290 full inverter heat pump with simple and elegant appearance. Layer-by-layer progressive multiple noise reduction design. Using stepless inverter compressor and low-speed larger fan, double effects on sound control softens and decomposes the noise. Enable you enjoy quiet and cozy home. Equipped with integrated water tank, embedded design, concise and exquisite. High-temperature sterilization and turbidity removal will ensure your safety and health. Strong and remarkable heating effect will safeguard comfortable and pleasant in-room temperature. Excellent performance will meet the needs of users for heating, cooling, and hot water. Multiple heat sources can be connected to keep room more constant temperature and comfortable. Avoidance of high-priced electricity will save more costs. Smart temperature curve can be selected to meet the heating and cooling needs of various regions. The dual-zone temperature control mode can be flexibly adjusted to make the indoor temperature more comfortable. Smart control with larger screen is more friendly to users. Built-in temperature sensor can detect indoor temperature in real time and realize smart and accurate temperature control. Mobile app can remotely control the operation of the unit in real time. 3 kinds of humanized electricity saving modes can be controlled on demand to ensure an environmental protection and energy-saving life. Smart IoT cloud management platform can remotely monitor the operation status of the units and provide solutions in time.